Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to do a get ready with me video, and I'm very excited because it has been a long time I didn't do a get ready with me, and I'm going for a wedding, so I thought of doing this video. And I have a lot of products in front of me, so I'm gonna use it. I am going to wear a sari, but I don't know what look I'm going for, but you guys know by the thumbnail of course. So yeah, let's see what look I can go for, and I'm thinking of going for a full face of beautiful glamorous makeup. So let's get started with the video. First, as usual, I'm starting with my base makeup. First, I'm applying the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Next, I am going to apply the Body Shop Pore Minimizer on my T-zone area. For foundation, I am going to mix two Maybelline foundation. One is Fit Me and the other one is Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Taking the mixture of two liquid highlighters. One is from Maybelline. This is the Strobing Cream in the shade Nude, and the other one is YBB Cream in the shade Goddess. And I'm going to mix all of them on the back of my hand, and I will apply this with my PAC Beauty Blender. Now using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 to highlight my face, and I'm also going to blend it with the same PAC sponge. For cream contour, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 30. And I'm also going to blend it with the same PAC Beauty Blender. I just love using this as my contouring shade. It's just a little bit darker from my skin tone, and it just blends beautifully and it looks really natural. Now I'm going to bake my under eyes with the Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. Now I'm going to bake my nose with the Sigma Bake Precision Brush P89. And I'm also setting my face with the same loose powder with the help of my PAC 214 brush. Now I'm just going to bronze up my face with this Wet n Wild bronzer, and I'm gonna mention the shade in my description box below, and the brush I'm using is PAC 261. Now I'm going to bake under my contour with the help of my Sigma Bake Kabuki brush F89. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Benefit Ka Brow in the shade 06. And the brush I'm using is from Faces Canada. Cleaning up my brows with the same Fit Me concealer, and the brush I'm using is from ORIFLAME. This is the dual-ended lip and concealer brush. I'm also going to prime my eyelids with the same concealer and the same brush, and just going to blend it with the sponge. For my eye makeup, I'm taking this Morphe X JACLYN Hill palette, and this is Armed and Gorgeous. First, I'm taking the shade Access on my PAC 204 brush, and I'm applying that on my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade Agent on the same brush and applying that just below the previous shade on my crease. I'm taking the Anastasia Prism palette and oh my god, this palette is bomb. First I'm taking the shade Satin on my PROARTE PE23 brush and I'm going to apply that on my eye socket area. Taking the shade Parallel on the Prism palette brush and I'm just going to pack it on the eye socket area. Now with this pack 126 smaller blending brush, I'm just going to blend out my crease. Now taking the shade Obsidian on my Morphe shader brush and I'm just packing the color on my eyelids. Going back to the smaller blending brush, I'm just blending out that black shade all over the crease. Now dusting off all the baking powder I have on my face with my PAC 214 brush. Now applying the shade Satin with the PROARTE PE19 brush on my lower lash line. Now applying the same black shade on my lower lash line. Smoking it out with the shade Parallel with the same PROARTE brush. Applying Plum Kajal on my waterline and I'm also going to tightline my eyes. Now taking the shade Osiris on my fingers and I'm going to pack the color all over the eyelid just above the black shade. Going back with the same Morphe shader brush, packing the same Osiris shade on the eyelid. Now taking this Miss Claire Glitter Gold eyeliner and this Radiant Liquid eyeshadow from NYKKA and I'm just going to apply this as my eye topper. Now applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes, I'm using my favorite lash Sensational mascara by Maybelline. And for my falsies, I went with Starburst from Kingdom of Lashes. For contouring, I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Kit. I'm taking this shade to contour my face. And the brush I'm using for contouring is the PAC 330 brush. To blend my nose contour, I'm using the PAC 249 brush. For my blush, I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. I'm taking this shade on my PAC 306 stippling brush. For my highlighter, I'm using the NYKAA Duo highlighter in the shade Glitterati and I'm going to mix both the shades and I'm applying that with my Sigma fan brush. This is F42. To highlight my nose, inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using the PAC 115 brush. And lastly, for my lipstick, I'm using the NYKAA Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Begum. It's a beautiful shade. And this completes my look.
So guys, this is the finished look. I am wearing my mom's sari and this is from Mohini Mohon Kanjigal. I actually don't know the sari name. It is, I think, silk, some Kanjivaram silk or something like that. I just don't remember. I will ask her and I will let you guys know in my description box below what's the name of this sari. And yeah, I absolutely love this look. I hope you guys like it too. I will mention all the product details down in my description box below with their links. So if you want to buy, you can buy it just by clicking on the link. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to insert some pictures because I can't show you the sari in this camera like now. So I'm going to insert some pictures and I'm actually wearing a crop top. I got it from Myntra. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.